Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting with the essentials: a charged Daydream headset and phone with the Daydream app installed. Insert the phone into the headset cradle, align edges, and secure clips so the display centers. Once done, power on the controller and pair it via Bluetooth. Follow on-screen pairing prompts. Make sure Wi-Fi and location are enabled for initial setup and app downloads. This gets you into the environment quickly, preventing tracking or calibration delays later in the process. Now fine-tune tracking and comfort. Adjust straps and lens spacing so the image is crisp and your pupils sit centered. This reduces motion blur and eye strain. Open controller settings and perform the calibration routine, waving and clicking as instructed so input maps correctly. Next, define your guardian boundaries or seated play area to prevent collisions. Finally, choose comfort options: snap turns for reduced nausea or smooth turns if you tolerate. With calibration done, choose an app or experience and allow any updates to finish before launching to avoid runtime crashes. Start with a brief demo or guided experience to validate head and controller tracking, audio levels, and comfort settings. Make quick adjustments as needed. If things go wrong, no tracking, blank screen, or controller unresponsive, power cycle the headset and phone, repair the controller, and confirm app permissions and Bluetooth access. If that fails, try a different USB cable or another compatible phone to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.